So I just went from TNT block. It's right here. So now what is this thing? Wait. Oh right, I know what this video is about. I will be showing you the cheapest to most expensive airplanes ever built. Well, not ever built, but this one is 1 cent. As you can see, it is a dirt block and slabs here. Now this is very horrible, so probably I will just grab some. Let's see, I need to go down here. Now I just grab where's that thing? I have something. I'll just search it. TNT, I need that. And a flint and where's flint and steel? Here it is. Alright. Now this one's easy to just burn up. So burn. There we go. Wait, but that dirt doesn't burn up, right? Does it? I'll just light it with TNT. Okay, put it right here. Ignite it, and then I can just go over here. Alright. $1 airplane? Well, that's a bit too weird too, so guess I'll just set it on fire. This is $1,000? You can't even ride it. Well, that just proves how horrible this plane is. You cannot even ride it. I'll put some TNT right here. And more TNT on the wings. Of course, some TNT over on these areas. Now I just have to ignite it soon enough. Like I need to put one like right here and stuff. Now I just have to ignite these things and then there, that's better. Now, what's this? 100,000 airplane. Dollar airplane. The plane is above? Is it that? That looks kinda weird, but okay. I guess this is it. This is weird. There we go. Now, what's this? Is this the cockpit? Alright. And there's not even a single seat. That's a horrible airplane. So, you know what I'm doing for this, right? Well, I hope you do. Do you think I should explode this one? It's pretty good, but not super good, so not sure if I should explode it. Probably I should explode it because it's quite weird and stuff. So I need to put some on the wings. That way it's more of a, you know. Now I need to put some on here and the stuff. Now I need to put some on the other wing. There we go. Now I just need a flint and steel. I probably need to set it on fire. So probably I just have to go down and then set it on fire. And then now just step back and then explode it. So make sure it just explodes all the way. Oh no. Wait, some parts didn't explode. That's bad. Ignite. Ignite. Perfect. Next is this airplane. How much is it? It is... Huh? Oh, there's the price. $500,000. That's quite expensive. Ooh, an iron plane. Iron airplane. Okay, can you enter this one? Finally. This actually looks pretty good. Don't you think? Wow, it even has seats. This is actually a very nice plane. This is actually a nice plane, except it only has 2 seats. Yeah, I like it, but I have to do this, but this is kind of bad, so I like it, but it's also kind of bad, so unfortunately, I need to explode it. So I need to just be here and then just put TNT all across it. That's better. Next, I need to go out of the airplane and place some more on the top of the airplane. That way. Okay. Alright, wait. I'll put some TNT here. TNT. Put some all the way across. There. Now I just need to put some on the wings. That's better. Now put some more. Need to make sure it's good enough. Next, I need to put some more TNT on this side of the wing. That way it's more like that. And then I can just explode every single part of the airplane. Now I just have to grab some flint and steel, do this, ignite these other areas. Let's see. Wow. How nice. Next is this gold airplane. How much is this? I'll check later. So this is actually also a good airplane. Let's see the inside. Wait. There. Go. Hard to fit through these doors by flying, but there. Cockpit. This is a horrible cockpit. What is this? There are not even a single. Oh my god. Whatever. There's not even a single chair. That's a horrible cockpit. They created. Why am I keep breaking this? Anyways, they create a chair. Well, that's pretty good, but I still need to explode it soon. So over here, it's just impossible to get in, and then over here, it is possible to get in. So, and then over on these areas, it's just very boring. So, unfortunately, I must explode this plane because it's horrible. But not as horrible as the other ones, because the other ones were more of a... Okay. Now I need to put one all the way around. Now this video took a long time to build, so if you subscribe, then I would really appreciate it. And also, if you want to watch the last airplane, you could just go forward in the video to watch the last airplane. That's the end of the outside. Now I just have to, the inside, and then now I just have to explode the outside. Or place TNT on the outside. Hope it doesn't glitch if I put this much TNT. Okay, maybe just a little more on these areas. Now I just, wait, this has an engine? Oh nice, this one has a gold engine. That's pretty good, but I still need to explode it. There we go. Now I just need to explode over here. Now I need to see the gold airplane explode. There we go. Wow, that is a lot of TNT. Wait, over here too. Alrighty. Now I'll grab this flint and steel and then just ignite a few spots. Wait, let's see this. Woohoo! How lovely! Nice! That is perfect. And I'm pretty sure this next one is the last one. The $1 billion airplane. The one we've all been waiting for. Wait, is it about the cows? Wow. Oh, there it is. The $1 billion airplane. That actually looks quite good, doesn't it? That looks nice. I don't think I might. Wait, let's see the inside. Maybe the inside's horrible. Let's see. Probably the inside's horrible. So probably I'll have to explode it. Wait, but it's dangerous to hold this. So I'll just hold a random oak plank. Cockpit. Oh my god, it's so tall we need to use a ladder? Well, I don't need to. Ooh, these are actually quite nice chairs. They have paintings on these and so many buttons. They have buttons everywhere. Wow, that is actually, even though this is way too huge, this is actually already starting to be like a nice airplane. Let's see this. Ooh, this is an international airplane, right? It's 3 sides. Okay. Wait, let's see. Maybe it's not as good as you think. Ooh, chest. Ooh, elytra. I think these are meant for parachutes. Next is over here, but it only has seats, right? A stairway? Well, let's check this. Let's see. Huh? What's this? Ugh, a bathroom? Whoa, that's actually a nice bathroom. Alright. A restroom. Next, I need to go up here. A kitchen. With ovens, chest, and all of this. Tables. Those are nice chairs. Next is over here. What's over here? Hotel rooms. Wait, are they hotel rooms? Yes, they are hotel rooms. Alright. This is actually... Ooh, a pool. Nicely. Alright, 3rd floor. Huh? What's the 3rd floor? Let's see in here. movie theater? Oh my god, that is such a good movie theater. They even have actual chairs. That is nice. Okay, that's the movie theater. Arcade. Wait, is this a ping pong table? And let's see. What are these? Slot machine? Wait, does it actually work? I think if you flip the lever, the dispenser gives you something, and then you're trying to get a specific thing. Wait, what's this? Oh, is it a shooter game? If you flip... Huh? What's that? Let's see. Arcade token. That's cool. Wait, and when you're done, what are these? Oh, these are prizes. 1 firework, 5 tickets. 1 block, 10 tickets. 1 diamond, 450 tickets. 1 head, 100 tickets. So I guess that's the arcade. What's this? Meeting? Okay. Okay. Oh, those are actually nice computers. Now, last area. Grass? Wait, what is this? Is this perhaps a golf area? Wait, can you actually golf? I bet you can't, right? That's impossible. You can't golf in Minecraft. Right, everybody? That's quite obvious, right? What? Snowballs? Yeah, you can't golf with snowballs. That's silly. Right, everybody? That is so funny how you can golf with... Wait, what? Oh. Wait, Okay. And that is weird how you can golf with snowballs. Wait. Are you... Actually, it's possible. You could just throw the snowball and try to aim... Ooh, I got it. Like that. You're trying to get it. Like that. You're trying to get it in the holes. This is actually a very good airplane. Now, I am definitely not exploding it. But maybe I'll make a separate video where I am exploding it, because maybe this isn't that good after all. Maybe it is, maybe it's not. I don't know. Wait, what? Where did I enter? Oh. Yeah, maybe good, maybe bad. I don't know. Probably bad. I don't know. Maybe I'll explode it. I don't know. Probably I will. Maybe another video. Or maybe this video. I don't know. Maybe this video is too long. Or anything. Next, I need to go down here. And then I need to go back down. And then just go straight ahead. Now, probably I'll explode it in a different video, but this is actually a very good airplane. Now, I'm going to go back down. I landed on the field of flowers. Nice. Wait, so is that all? Yeah, probably all. But this is a very nice plane. Is this all? What is this? Huh? It is -10000, too many zeros that I can't count, dollars. So is this technically free, or do I earn money by buying it? Yeah, probably free. I'm going to see if I can actually ride this. Sit. I can sit. goo, goo, goo. What is that? Okay. Alright. Well, that's quite cool. But I don't know if that's just a weird, but that's probably all for today. And that $1 billion airplane was cool. So anyways, bye-bye. See you next time.